Eager to dive into the world of gaming with Moonton but unsure how to create an account? Hi everyone, welcome to Make Gaming Easy. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Moonton account. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, tap on a profile in the top left corner of your screen. Then from the options on the left side, tap on Account. Before we create Moonton account, we will need Google account to register it. So if you don't have Google account, then first create it. If you already have Google account, then tap on Tap to Connect on the right side of Moonton account. Now enter your email address where you will receive all your Moonton updates. Then create a password which must contain 6 or more characters with a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and no special symbol. Re-enter your password to confirm it. After you have finished filling, tap on Submit button. Now check your email by opening Gmail app in a device to see the verification email. You can also check your email by tapping on the Check Email button. Then tap on Active Now button. Now see whether your Moonton account has been created or not. Go to your profile, then tap on Account. Here you can see your Moonton account has been made. And that's how you can create Moonton account in Mobile Legends. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.